Welcome everybody. In this video we will make our 3D doors. Okay, let's start. Okay, here we have some mistakes actually. We forget to make this wall. So just extrude this. Press bar and keep the direction 10 feet. Now make this new wall layer. 3D walls. Okay. As we are not doing the interior designing, so actually we don't need we don't need to do our stairs. I will make a separate video where I will teach you how to make 3D stairs. Okay. Now let's make our door. So to make our door, we need to make a rectangle here. Yes, as you can see, as our usage is not on, usage is not working from this face. This happens. So every time you work like that, you need to turn on your UCS. Now you will put it here. So it is not choosing that point. Select this line to be your x-axis and this to be your y. Now we will make a rectangle here, and that will do like this. Okay. Now select this rectangle, move it from here to here. First, we need to make our door. But we need to make our door frame. So to do that, in this video we will be making our 3D doors. To make our 3D door, first we need to create our 3D door frame. So let's start. First we will put our uses here. So use uses command, point it here. This give a point in x direction and give it upwards y direction. Now take polyline command. For polyline PL, select this point, select this corner point, select this point and point corresponding to this point, like this. Okay. Now go to wireframe and turn off wall layer. Now we need to create our 3D door frame. So to do that, we'll again use polyline command. Start from here, give a distance about 2.5 inches. Sorry. Our usage should be involved. Now delete this line. Take polyline command, select here, give a distance 2.5 inches. And connect it. Press spacebar to come out. Now our polyline has been created. Now extrude this line. select extrude. First select object, press space bar, then what we do here, we will choose here the path command. Click here and select this line. As you can see, it has been automatically created. Now go to shaded mode. As you can see, our 3D door frame has been created. Now we can delete this line. Okay, it has delete this. Sorry, cannot be select. Now delete this polyline. Okay. Make a layer called 3D dot frame. Choose a color somewhere same like our window, like this. Maybe this color window. Okay, and make this object into our 3D door frame. Now we have to make our door, so again take uses command, select this point for x-axis, select this point for y-axis, take polyline command, select this point, also you can do it by rectangle command, and select this, press enter. Created. Now select this box and move it from here to somewhere here. Here we will be creating our door. Our UCS should be in world. To make UCS world, you can click here world, or otherwise use UCS command and press enter twice. Okay, now first we will make our designs. Take offset command, give 3 inches like this. Now we need to divide, so first explode this. Actually we don't need this rectangle, we need single line, so what we use explode command. So to use that, use explode. As you can see, explode, select object, press spacebar or enter. As you can see, now it is single lines. Okay, now take offset command, give 2 feet distance. Okay, use this here. Now take offset, give 2 feet. Give 1 feet like this. Now inside take 3 inches. So like this, and also here. Now trim everything. I don't need this. Okay, Now our door design has been completed. Now we need to extrude this. So first we will make copies of it for creating. Actually we need to join these lines to extrude, so use join command. As you can see, I can extrude it. So take extrude command, select this line, select this line, press spacebar, give a thickness of suppose 3 inches. Okay, now subtract this. Take subtract command, select object, press spacebar, select the inside object, press spacebar. Okay, now we will make these designs here. Here also select these lines and join it, extrude this suppose 1.2 inches. Okay, now select this, copy, select this point and put it here. Okay, as you can see it is inside layer. Now we'll make this upper layers. So to do that we need to join everything. Use join command. Also this and this middle layer. Now we need to extrude this. Take extrude command, select 3 object, press spacebar and give a distance of 3.4 inches suppose this. Now put this 3 object, take copy command from here. As you can see our door design has been created. Now make a layer called 3D door. Change the color to this color. We will put some designs here. So go to solid panel, use fillet edges, select loop and no, we don't need this. Next, yes, we need this edge. Accept and press enter and enter to count. We will also make these designs in here. So choose again, select the edge, sorry, we will use loop command, accept, press enter, command. Same way, take loop, select here, accept, press enter to command. Okay, now our door has been created. Now so as you can see, now if you want to select here is 3D solid object, they are also a 3D solid object, so we don't need that. We will need a single object. So to do that, to make these objects to a single object, just select everything, use union command, union, that is this, select it. Okay, we need to select it again, select everything, press enter. As you can see, now you cannot select that upper layer, middle layer. It is now a single layer, single solid object. Okay, now we will put this in here. So select this, copy, we will select this point as a base point and put it here like this. Now let's turn on our wall layer. Okay, also we need to do one thing, we need to make this into our 3D door. Okay, now our 3D door has been created. Thank you everyone, we will see you in next video.